Hi, this is Dr. Konstantin, and I'd like to talk to you today about your skin. In particular, what to do to keep your skin looking beautiful. Now that the summer is over, and of course most of us are sad about that, but there is one bad thing about the summer. It's the UV light that really damages the skin and causes quite a bit of aging. So all those dark spots, all those wrinkles, all that kind of a dull, beaten up looking skin, this is what summer does to us. Fortunately, I have a perfect solution for it. So the solution I use in my practice to keep the skin looking young is called Raw Aesthetics, and it has an ignition key just like your car. We turn it on, and of course the machine starts making a lot of noise first. The noise is very important, and then you can see on the screen all the settings, and we change all those settings depending on the skin complexity, how much sun damage there is, and what goals we want to achieve. Now, I'm going to turn the machine on because it makes a lot of noise. So this is the first thing I want to talk to you about. This is called IPL, Intense Pulse Laser. And this is a perfect treatment for sun-damaged skin. Now, this handle emits very intense light. We have to have dark glasses for that. Now, there are multiple attachments. So those are the filters that we use, and they have a magnet. So they attach to this nicely and securely. And we have multiple filters that we use for different things. Now, this one is for acne. When somebody has active acne, we can use this treatment just to kill the bacteria and the acne gets better. Now, of course, this piece is a little large, so we do have a solution for this. We have filters that we can attach on top of the filter, and this is going to be just about the size of the acne. So one treatment takes care. So the next one I'm going to show you is called Vascular Culture. Now, vascular, of course, stands for blood vessels. So dilated blood vessels and skin redness. This is what we can get rid of. Makes the skin look good. The next one is the most important one to do at the end of the summer. This one is for dark spots. So, of course, UV light can cause a lot of dyschromias, a lot of dark spots, and this treatment will take care of it. I should be getting one soon. And the last one that we have here is for hair removal. Really, we don't use it that often because we have another attachment in this machine that is a lot more effective to get rid of unwanted hair. So the next one is probably even more important than IPL. This is our skin rejuvenation laser. It's called Erbium Yak, and it helps us to get rid of the fine wrinkles, small lines, and really makes the skin look much younger. And this is how it works. It has a nice attachment here that allows us to change the settings in addition to changing the settings on the screen, so we can tailor the treatment precisely to your needs. And I point this attachment to the skin and press the button. That's how it works. The skin looks younger. So I hope you guys learned something today. And this is our laser that we use to rejuvenate the skin, and it's particularly good to do at the end of the summer. Now, if you like to find out more or watch other videos, please like, comment, and subscribe below. I'll see you soon.